Good morning, students. I am back with my next video of CSS Cascading Style Sheets, CSS Part 4, and today's topic is Text Property. CSS Text Property. Cascading Style Sheets provides us to control the appearance of text on a web page. What is this control? It means it is used to align, it is used to decorate it, it is used to transform it, it is used to change the color. So there are different properties. Let's see what are these properties. The first property is text align. This property is generally applied to block of text. It is used to align the text at various positions. Syntax is text align value, where value is left by default, right, center, and justify. Let's see with an example. Look here. In H1, I have given text align center, text align right. So it is, and I have written text properties. You can see it is on the right hand side. Whereas in H2 I haven't give any alignment, so H2 and its color is red. You can see from left it is left align. The distance between the page border and the text is equal at the left hand side but not at the right hand side. Whereas in P I have given P align center, and you can see over here I have written text property are to change the appearance of text P, and it is there in the center of a page. Now in H2 if I'll write text align justify, file, save, refresh. Now in this you can see there is a equal distance between the text and the page border in all the lines from the left side and from the right side. So this is called text align justify. Let's see the next property of text. The next property of text is text decoration. This property is used to add different effects to the text. Syntax text decoration value. Value is underline, overline, line through, and none. None is a default. Let's see with an example. Look here. I have given text align right. Now I am using decoration. Decoration underline, file, save, refresh. You can see text properties are underlined. If I'll instead of underline, if I'll write overline, let's see, file, save, refresh. Now line is appear on the top of the text properties. The next value of text decoration is line through. So line dash through, file, save, refresh. You can see that it is strike the text. The line is following in between the text of H2 only, because I have given in H1 only, because I have given it over here and it is showing in the page, web page, like over here. Let's see the next property of text. The next text property is text transform. This property is used to transform the appearance of text in different cases. Syntax text transform value. Value is uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. Let's see with an example now. In p tag, I am using it. Text transform uppercase. Text transform uppercase. File save, refresh. You can see text transform uppercase. This is P and it is all in capitals. Instead of uppercase, if I'll write lowercase, file save, refresh. The text in this line is small. Every font, every text, every character in this line is in small. The next one is capitalize. Now let's see, file, save, refresh. Now what does this capitalize did? You can see over here the first character of each word is capital. That is called transform capitalize. Let's see the next property. The next property of text is color. This property is used to color the text. Syntax, color, value. The value may be color name, RGB code, hexadecimal code. Let's see with an example. Let's see. Look here. Now here in S2 I have used color red. Instead of red, if I use color is green. File, save, refresh, it is green. Okay, in H1 if I'll use color red, file, save, refresh, you can see. So students, I hope you are able to understand it. You are able to understand the text properties in CSS. Students, keep yourself safe, learn and do and give your best. Keep yourself safe. Once again, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.